So these cheap folding tents, have you ever wondered how to fold them back to its original form? If you are curious, please stay tuned. Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in ProTecStation. It's great to see you all. Have you guys ever bought one of these cheap folding tents, or you've seen one of these in action before and is curious of how to fold them back to its original form? So in this video, I will demonstrate how to fold these folding tents back to its original form. And if you like the video so far, can you do me one favor? Can you help me smash that like button? It does really support the channel big time and it doesn't cost you anything. Okay, so to fold the tent is really easy. Just turn the tent upside down and then fold in half. The two longest side, fold them in half so they're touching each other like this. And then from the middle, you just compress it down like this. It turns into like a 3-loop, like a Mickey Mouse shape. And then you just slap them together like that, like this, okay? And then you just make them back into the circle shape and then use the rubber band to tie it. That's it. So there you have it. Hope you liked today's video, and if you like the video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification. That way, when I have new videos, you'll be notified. You may also feel free to share this video to families and friends, which I am very greatly appreciate. You may also follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be on the bottom of the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have you ever wondered how to... These cheap folding tents, have you ever wondered how... So these cheap folding tents, have you ever wondered how to fold them back to the original form?